Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade body butter. This recipe is very simple and we are not needing much. All we need is some shea butter, some coconut oil, and some olive oil. Okay guys, so we'll need we'll need an manual mixer and a bowl. So these are our ingredients guys. These are all the things that we'll be needing. So we are going to transfer the shea butter, coconut oil and olive oil inside a bowl. And we'll be needing some hot water. Then we'll transfer the hot water into an empty bowl. Then transfer the bowl which we have the shea butter, coconut oil and olive oil. We'll transfer the bowl inside the hot water for it to dissolve. It will take you for about 10 to 15 minutes to dissolve. Then you stir it. Make sure there is no lumps inside. You have to be patient guys so that it will melt very well, okay? So that everything will be well dissolved. Then we are going to be transferring this into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this is it guys. Don't allow it to be too solid, okay? As you can see mine. Then we are going to start mixing with our manual mixer. Make sure to whisk it very well so that it will be very fluffy. Mix, 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 mix. And this is our body butter. Can you see guys? Can you see the difference? The color before was yellow, but now the color is white because you have to mix it very well. Okay guys? Yes, our body butter is ready. We'll be transferring it into an empty container. Okay guys, you can store this inside the fridge. Not the freezer, just the normal fridge, okay? Guys, this body butter, you have to try this recipe because this cream is very good. You can use it for yourself, for your family, for your kids. It's very good, especially for kids. It's very good. It will maintain their natural color. And also guys, you can also add any oil of your choice. You can add like lemon oil, carrot oil, almond oil. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Please guys, subscribe. It's free, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.